this is our video link for page 250, guided instruction, variables in algebraic products and quotients. Page 249 talks about adding and subtracting, and now we are talking about multiplication and division. We learned yesterday when we were doing math that when you have numbers and you're multiplying, you can say 5 times 7. You can say 5 with a dot in the middle times 7, or you can say 5 and put parentheses times 7. So all of those mean multiplication. When we have division, we have 10 divided by 2, or you can have 10 divided by 2, or you can have 10 divided like a fraction by 2. So those are three ways, different ways that you can do each of these. We'll have to practice these on the bottom. A variable, which we know is our mystery number, may be used in algebraic expressions, so algebra sentences with multiplication and division. Jamie has 2 boxes of crackers, and there's the same number of crackers in each box. How many crackers does she have? We don't know, but we do know she has 2 boxes. We don't have to solve for anything. They just want you to be able to write it. So if n's the number of crackers in one box, she has 2 sets of n. 2 times n. You can also write it as 2 times n or 2n. They can be touching. If they're touching, it's multiply. On this other side, we're going to share our crackers now. Jamie wishes to equally share 1 box of crackers on 4 plates. So she's going to take this box, break it in 4. They put the plates here. How many crackers will each person have? We don't know exactly, so we're just talking a hypothetical situation. N divided by 4. So here's your n divided by 4. So if n is the number of crackers in one box, the number of crackers on one plate equals n divided by 4. You can say n divided by 4, n divided by 4, or as a fraction, n divided by 4. So those were the examples we were talking about at the top. And now they want you to play with it over here. So number 1 says, how many sets of n do I have? 3 sets of n. Okay, you can write it just like that. How many sets of n do I have divided by how many? So you have to count your sets of n. You have 2 sets of n divided by 3. So just like she bought 2 boxes of crackers for her 3 friends that are coming over, they're going to share all of that together. You're going to do the same down here. I have 1, 2, 3 n's, so 3 sets of n. Pretend those are candy bars. Divided by 2. You have to share with your best friend those candy bars or bags of M&Ms. That's how you would write that. We will also do this here, 3 sets of n divided by 4. I'm going to see if you can try that one on your own. And then we're going to go down to 5 and 6. Write an expression for each quotient. Quotient means divide. This means divide. For each picture, and then you can refer back up here if you need to. Write the answers in 3 different ways. So this is saying n divided by 3. So you will write n divided by 3. Or you will write n divided by 3. Or you will write n divided by 3. I don't know if you can type this in on your calculator for Schoology. So if you can't, leave the 3rd one blank for Mr. Getz, and we will let him know. For number 6, same thing, wants you to rewrite this. N divided by 6, n divided by 6, and then n divided by 6. If you can't fill them in because of your typing them, don't worry about it. Just give me at least the one where you can use the division sign, or you can use a fraction bar. Write an expression with n for each phrase. So now we have to go through all of these. Make sure we're listening for products. Products are multiplied. So product is a multiplication. Quotient is division. All right, 5 times a number. 5 times a number. A number divided by 3. So here's your number divided by 3. 3 of a number. This sounds like we are dividing 3 of a number. However, 3 of a number, that sounds more like multiplication. 3 of a number. So we're going to write it just like that. 3n. The product, thank you. The product of n and 3. Product is multiplication. So the product of n and 3. You can put a little X sign in there if you want to, because you guys are doing it online. Twice is 2. Twice a number. A number divided by 10. So a number divided by 10. I will let you finish 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, and 18 on your own. Please submit your answers when you are completed. You may re-watch the video. If I ever go too slow on the videos, you can pause them and go back. Quotient is divide. Divided is divide. Groups of is multiplication. Number divided by. I'm just going to review these. A product is multiplication and a number divided by. So you will know what to do on there. Go slow, take your time, and read the directions.